Mulya is recognized.
Your Honor, after hearing his affidavit and his willingness to disclose all other details about the transactions that happened under his watch, may I respectfully ask the committee to allow the DOJ to have an evaluation of Mr. Bernardo immediately. This matter has to be done because of the gravity of the situation and the fact that we may have to really work overtime on legal matters that are needed or necessary legal matters so that we can preserve the monies and other things that are involved in this discussion.
Thank you, Secretary Remulla. Will you be open to answer some questions addressed to the Secretary of Justice before you leave? Just like the last time? No, not to Yusek Bernardo, but to the Secretary for some clarificatory questions. I mean, to the Secretary of the OJ, not to the affiant. Because you have to bring him back after lunch, no? Not to you, but Secretary Remulla, will you be willing to, not Yusek Bernardo. I'm referring my question to Secretary Remulla. If you're willing to accommodate just a few questions from the members, if they're...
Yes, Your Honor. Of
okay.
course, Your Honor.
So we'll start with whoever. Senator Erwin Tulfo is first on the list, kindly. But kindly limit your questions to, in the meantime, no, to Secretary Remulla. Mamaya na lang yung kay Undersecretary Bernardo. Meron. Anybody? You have some questions?
The same naman lang rin, Mr. Chair, na pag alis ni Secretary Remulla, alis din si Bernardo, baka pwedeng magtanong na kay Bernardo.
Hindi. Ang kasundan natin, pagbalik na lang, kasi hahaba eh. And they have work to do, so we are accommodating them in the same manner that we accommodated Alcantara, Engineer Alcantara, to be brought immediately to the DOJ for evaluation, for some procedure. Then after that, we can have all the time in the world. Maski hanggang madaling araw, kung gusto mong tanongin si Yusek Bernardo,
sir, pero
you can.
Ito, for the benefit of general questions.
We're just postponing. We're not rejecting your request to propound questions.
Isa kasi sa akin kasi, sir, pag sabi niya ngayon dito, diretso kagad file ng kaso sa DOJ without us giving the benefit na makapagtanong man lang kung...
Sige.
I think the thing is that the Department of Justice, as much as possible, would like to evaluate first. They will not file any cases against anyone.
But subsequently, filing of cases will follow. Kung sana naman bago siya makonsider doon, dito muna sa atin. Dahil sa atin niya nilahad yung statement niya, so hindi naman niya nilahad sa DOJ, sa atin muna. So sana makapagtanong tayo bago natin turn over sa DOJ for their consideration.
Mr. Chair, I think the point...
hearing is suspended.